It is given that the matrix F is an n by n real matrix, B is an n by n real vector, and it is given that Fu equal to B and Fv equal to B, but U not equal to V. Which of the following statement is false? To make this question clear, we will write it down. F is an n by n real matrix, B, U, V are n by 1 real vectors. Now it is given that F into U is B and F into V is also B, and it is given that U is not V, and we are asked which of the following statement is false. So the statements are: determinant of F is 0, there are infinite number of solutions, there is an x not 0 such that Fx equal to 0, F must have two identical rows. Let's see how we can solve this. It is given that Fu equal to B and Fv equal to B. Let's assume that determinant F is not 0, okay, and see whether we can prove it otherwise. So determinant F not 0 means F inverse exists. By using these two conditions, let's multiply. Let's say this equation is 1 and this equation is 2. Let's multiply these both equations with F inverse. That means F inverse Fu equal to B, F inverse B, and F inverse Fv equal to F inverse B. F inverse F is I, so we get U equal to F inverse B and V equal to F inverse B. We know that if an inverse of a matrix exists, it will be unique. So from these two cases, or these two equations here, it is stating that U is equal to V, but it is clearly given that U is not V. So our definition that F inverse exists is wrong. That means the determinant of F is equal to 0. Okay, so determinant of F must be 0 for U not equal to B. So we have proved option A is correct. I mean, the statement given at option A is correct. Determinant F equal to 0 means there are chances that Fx equal to B can have infinitely many solutions. Since it have infinitely many solutions, there can be an x not 0 such that Fx equal to 0. Now the fourth case, F must have two identical rows. This is not necessary for a determinant to be 0. It can have two columns which are identical, which can cause the determinant to be 0. So the statement which is false is F must have two identical rows. So the correct answer is option D.